All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Today is finally Friday. So let's go ahead and get started with morning meeting.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Today is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. The month is May. Today is Friday, May 15, 2020. The weather is going to be partly sunny, so it might even get hot. So it'll be around the 96 degrees. So remember to stay hydrated if you're outside playing and exercising. For our social skills lesson, what do you plan on doing for the summer? Are you going to the beach? What water park are you going? I think I want to go to Schlitterbahn in New Braunfels. What about you? So for today, we're going to be working on IEP goals. Make sure you complete the rest of your assignments, take a picture and submit it for a grade. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me and I will answer all your questions. Let's begin.